What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Right in front of me is the new project car that I am going to be introducing to the channel. Now before we get started with all of that, we have to get the GTR started. If you guys saw my last video, I could not get it started. I need to get the GTR out of the garage first, and if we don't get it out of the garage, then we're going to be running into problems and we might just have to do it on the driveway. Well, here goes nothing. Usually when I do the startups every other week, usually everything turns out okay, but the last time I started this car, it was throwing codes like crazy. So let's try it. Oh yes, she's still alive. Hey, welcome to the channel, boy.
What's up?
Got my boy Christian here, Chris over there. Me and Christian go way back. He's gonna be the guy behind the new project car. Now we got the GTR out, garage is now clear. New project car in 3, 2, 1. Smoky in here. Jesus. Before we get started, tell everybody what we're working with today.
So today we're working on a 2015 WRX.
Yes, sir. From Alaska too, yeah?
Yeah, straight from Alaska.
We'll explain later on why this is blue. But before we get started, do you have a coin with you?
No.
Damn it. Can't wait.
I just cleaned out my whole car. Took all the coins already.
Yeah, wait. Let's make sure it doesn't go in the crack. Just go over here. All right, I'm gonna bleep it out, but heads, we're working on the tails, we're working on the Okay, ready, go.
Okay, ready? What is it?
Tails!
Tails it.
All right, we're doing it. Christian chose tails, so I guess we're explaining it now. We're putting on a new front bumper. I think it's smart, but changing this to blue, let's just explain to everybody why he did it, because that was a smart money move.
So I had my old bumper, put on a lot of mods, front splitter, cannons and all. I already bought a new bumper, had to get my safety check, so here's this bad boy. Got it for 50 bucks, all right?
Smart.
50 bucks.
And how much you sold the original one?
So my original bumper, $800.
So smart. So you basically funded the new bumper. Before I reveal this, drop it down in the comments. What bumper do you guys think this is? All right, let's open it. Bro, this is like Christmas right now. Christmas came early, bro. Oh, dude. Carbon front lip. Oh, dude. Bro, look at the details on that. Whoever did the paint match, oh my god. Dude, this is so sick. Let's see how fast we can get this on here. I wish it was this easy for my car. Jeez. Yeah. Off camera, we did put this on ethanol already. We got to get it to the dyno though.
Yep.
You can't do street tune, dude. Not with this car. You got to put it. We got to put it on a dyno. All right, first test. Anything yet either?
Yeah.
Can you go any closer? You know what it is?
What is it?
It's your intercooler piping.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. We thought it was gonna be an easy install. Turns out to be not. We're already scratching the intercooler piping. So what I think we're gonna do before we end up cutting this corner, I'm gonna go ahead and shift the intercooler piping just a little bit, just to see if we can make that clearance, because we only need about an inch or so. Round two. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you see where this corner points?
Yeah.
You're just gonna straighten that, or just smoothen this out.
Okay.
Just little by little. quick update, maybe an hour and a half later. We got this right here. So what we just noticed was that Dustin Williams did the same bumper, and I don't know why we didn't at least take a look and watch the install. But now that we know that this part right here had to be cut kind of deep in order to clear the intercooler piping, so now our problem is working with the fog lights or the DRLs. So that the way it's set up, it's meant for aftermarket, could run the stocks, but you're gonna be I'm assuming you're using this frame on the side. But I think what Christian's gonna end up doing is buy aftermarket so that the frame can sit here and we can just drill these holes right over here and then hold it closer to the frame instead of on the side right here. After the 10th try, it's a start. Right here is probably my favorite angle looking at the car. This looks so sick. Well, after a bunch of cutting, especially this right here giving us a lot of problems, had we known that we had to cut more of it, we probably would have done it first and then have it painted, but we didn't know. So kind of feels like Nakai-san from RWB. If you guys notice, he takes like wide body Porsche or his wide body kit, which is the RWB. They have the owners paint the car, and then if he has to cut, then he'll sand and cut, which to me it's kind of scary, just like cutting and sanding fresh paint. But that's a first thanks to this guy. Let's actually put this back out and then let's see it on the ground, because if you look at the carbon front lip, that thing looks mean. Damn, now this thing looks sick. New bumper in 3, 2, 1. One last look before she leaves and comes back tomorrow. Took way longer than we expected it to be. This is why you should watch other people's content, because you never know, they actually might help you out, and maybe the manufacturer might not even tell you that you gotta cut. We can cut, but it would be nice to know if we, you know, can find out ahead of time. So first experience cutting today.
Yes, sir.
Sanding too. Got that. Thank you for your help, my brother.
Anytime, man.
Look at that gold chain over here. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
I'm camera shy, right?
So I forgot to make an outro for that video, and I'm literally editing it right now. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed you guys' Thanksgiving weekend. I hope everybody had enough to eat. Now it's December and we're in the final month of the year. I know this year has been super crazy for all of us. In a way, it's kind of a change of lifestyle for many of us. So I hope we can end this year with a bang. I know I'm trying to do it as well. I'm gonna make as much videos I can until Christmas. So I'm just gonna keep chucking away at videos. I know things are gonna be kind of hard because work is getting a little bit more busy. Last week before Thanksgiving, I was able to film some videos for Island Rides, so be on the lookout for that. I'll put the playlist up here for all the Island Rides episodes, but expect 2 more before the end of the year, maybe 3 if I could get 1 more in. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys like a quick update on the wheels. I just found out yesterday that the wheels are done. They actually just got off the boat from Japan and now they're in California. From what I understand, it's sitting at the manufacturer's warehouse, and then it's gonna be sent to Versus Trading Company, who's helping me out with sourcing the wheels, and then they're gonna send it to me. So at least we know that the wheels are done. I was able to get a sneak peek of it. They sent me some videos of it, sent me some pictures. To me, they look amazing. And if you guys followed me on TikTok, I did give a little sneak peek for you guys. I only had the video up for 10 minutes. So if you guys were the lucky ones to see the new wheels on my TikTok, keep it a secret between you and I am going to be doing the new wheel reveal here on the YouTube channel first, and then I'll be posting up photos on the Instagram and the TikTok. And if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys follow me on my socials and make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. You never know, I might be posting sneak peeks here and there on different things, but you gotta be following me on all my socials because I'm just gonna keep it random with the surprises, and I don't want to be favoring one or the other. So make sure you guys follow all my socials. You guys know how to find me, Lance GTC, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. It's all the same. Also, I'm waiting on another package that's supposed to be sent today, so I'm literally trying to hold out as long as I can before I go to work. Hopefully I can get a little sneak peek of the new parts that's coming in before I go to work. I'll do a little bit more explanation later, but it was a shot in the dark to work with this company. Basically, I hit them up, they asked me more information about my build, and then we just went back and forth from there. And then lo and behold, they said yes and they want to be a part of the build. So I do have another reveal for you guys, so stay tuned for that as well. December is gonna be very, very busy, but we gotta end it with a bang. And I promise I'm gonna make as much videos as I can leading up till Christmas. And I do thank you guys so much for the support. If you guys haven't done so, please make sure you guys subscribe. Share this with your family and friends. Share the channel, share the grind. It'll really mean a lot to me. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember that you guys are all called to be great in your own way. Christmas is almost here, and always to remember, challenge your standards.